Quarantine day 5. Are you bored at home? Do you just want to dress up and go out and put on beautiful makeup with big lashes but can't? This is the video for you.
Pacing back and forth.
Alright, so I did my base off of camera and also I did my brows. And I was also thinking of what I should do for a video because, again, I had no idea, no plan of what I was supposed to do for this video. So I thought I had the great idea to do a look inspired by and dedicated to my mom. So this quarantine has been super rough for me because I've been missing my family so much. To those of you who don't know, I do live abroad. I just live in another state than my own family. They're back in Sabah while I'm in KL. KL. So I'm very used to having lots of noises and footsteps and people to talk to at home, whereas now I live just by myself and my roommate. So I do miss my family a lot. I miss them every day, every second of the day, and the person I miss the most is my mother. So this look is, well, this whole video is dedicated to my mom. So my mom is, I think everybody who knows me can vouch for this. My mom is my best friend. I tell her everything there. I have no secrets from her, and I miss you, Mom. She's not really a makeup person. She doesn't really wear makeup a lot, but when she does, she always does a very, very neutral eye. But she loves the color pink, and she always has a red lip. So I think I'll insert a picture somewhere here of her because she's beautiful. But I will try to do a makeup look inspired by her and what she likes and what she loves. And Mom, I'm wearing a cross today. I hope you're happy. But Mom, I miss you, and I hope you're watching this. You better. I miss you, and I want to come home. Taking this palette right here, I'll be taking this color, this shade Ginger, and it's a mustard brown. I looked that up so my definitions are better. And I'll be taking a brush like this, and I'll be just diffusing that in the outer corner all the way to the middle. I've done this look on my mom before, but my look is quite a lot heavier than what she's used to. So when I did it on her, she kept telling me like to kind of blend it away. She kept telling me to like soften the look when it was already like so soft. And she was like hitting me, but not like in an abusive way. She was like hitting me to like take it off. And it kept like shaking my hand so the shade went like everywhere. I remember when I was younger and we were like, because I come from a very, very big family and a very big extended family as well. I remember whenever we had to go to a wedding, I would pester my mom to do my makeup for me because I had no idea how to do makeup at the time, and she would do the classic blue eyeshadow and pink lipstick look. I swear I'm gonna recreate that look one day. Maybe not today, but she used to do that on me to every wedding, regardless of what the theme of the wedding was. And I swore that I looked like the last woman on earth, you know? It was so bad. I'm sorry, Mom. I looked at the pictures. It was so bad. If I couldn't find a picture, I'll probably insert it somewhere. So now that that's done, I'm going to be taking the shade Edges, and I'll be further blending it into the crease and creating sort of a more, I don't know, to deepen up my crease. So just from the outer corner here, stamping it first and blending it out very slowly. My mom has this saying in Karazhan, and she said she used to scream at me and my brothers for climbing on the furniture or climbing up on the tables or whatever when we were younger. And I don't know, that sentence still brings a chill down my spine, because she used to scream at us and we used to be so scared. And now she's saying it to my nieces, which are her granddaughters, and it brings back so much like trauma because we used to like be so scared of her before, because she used to scream relentlessly at us. But now she's like everybody's best friend. My mom literally loves everyone, and she always gives everyone a second chance, even though like they don't deserve it sometimes. So my mom is like the most forgiving person, and I'm so thankful. So now I'm gonna be taking a brush like this that doesn't have any color on it, and I'll just be further blending out the edges so that it's nice and blended. So this is where my mom would stop, like this. No middle shade. I mean, no like center of the lid shade. No further deepening the crease shade. She'd just stop right here, and then she'd go out with like red lipstick or something, which honestly, and she doesn't even put mascara on, which annoys me. Mom, I'm gonna buy you some mascara when I have that YouTube money. So now that that's done, I will be cutting my crease, and my mom should really do this because she keeps asking me how to get my eyes to look bigger, and this is one of the ways. I'll be taking a brush like this with a little bit of concealer, and I'll be half cutting my crease, which I've done in every video because it's the only thing I'm good at. This is the concealer I have under my eyes. This is the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Full Wear in the shade 307 Cashmere. This is my shade, and honestly I think it's a little bit too light, but it's okay. And it's actually really good. I've worn this out. At first it was a little bit heavy because I wasn't used to it, because I'm very used to the Maybelline Age Rewind. I'm so used to that one. So wearing this one was so different because it was so heavy. So now that I've cut the crease, it doesn't really matter about the shape because I'll be blending it out and diffusing it anyway later on. I will be taking the shade Soleil, and I'll be packing it on all over the lid. And also I'll be taking this color right here, Doulas. I don't watch Jackie Aina, so I don't know how she says it, but I'm assuming it's pronounced Doulas, which sounds really dumb coming from me, but it's a really pretty shade. I'll be packing that on the middle. So taking Soleil and packing it on a packing brush like this. I'll be applying it to the inner part of my eye. And taking the same brush, I'll be dipping into Douala, and I'll be applying it to the outer portion of my cut crease. And I'll be going right in the middle where the two shades meet, and I'll be blending it with my finger so there's no like stark difference. So now I'll be taking Credit right here, and I'll be blending it on the outer corner all the way in just to deepen up my crease. And my mom would never do this, but I'm gonna, Mom. So for now I'm just kind of stamping on the pigment. I'm blending just a little bit, but not too much, but I'm more so stamping on the pigment. So as you can see right there, it's not blended at all, but trust me, I will later. Like that. Looks like but I'll be taking this brush again right here, and without adding any pigment, I'll just be diffusing it by scratching it like this. So for the under eyes, I will be taking this palette again. I'll be taking the shade Supreme and the shade Pinker, and I'll be diffusing it and blending it under my eye, because as I said in the intro or the beginning, my mom loves pink, and she's always, whenever I ask her what color should I get for, let's say, shoes, or maybe not shoes, but like clothes or bags or whatever, she'll always say, get this one, and it's like a bright pink. Because growing up, I never liked the color pink. So I'll be taking the shade Pinker on a really, really small pencil brush, and I'll be running it down my eyelash line. I poked my eye, son of a... You can see my eye bags, the indents of my eye bags. It's getting so bad. So now that that's there, I'll be taking another brush that's somewhat dirty but somewhat clean. And I'll be taking the shade Supreme, and I'll be blending out the shade Pinker so it looks a little smokier. So just running that brush right under the shade Pinker. Okay, so I've tight lined my waterline off camera because I was making a really ugly face. So now I'm gonna be putting on my mascara, and today I'll be using the Lights Camera Lashes, I think. It just says lashes. I think this is the Lights Camera Lashes one that came with the unicorn or mermaid set. But first I'll be curling my eyelashes. So today I won't be doing a liner, a wing liner or any liner besides the tight line, because my mom doesn't really do any liner. She actually hates eyeliner because she said it makes her eyes water, so I'm not gonna be doing a liner today. Now I'll be doing my lashes, and the lashes I've opted for today are more of a natural-ish lash, a little less thick. No liner, just glue. So this is how I put my lashes on, which is, I think a lot of people find it weird, but I learned it from TikTok. Okay, I don't watch TikTok, but there are some videos that are pretty cute. So with this, I take the glue. So instead of just putting the glue onto the lash and then waiting for it to dry and then sticking it on, I take the glue and I apply it straight to my lash line. And I don't even have to wait till it's dry. I just take the lash and I stick it on. Okay, so now that I've painstakingly put my lashes on, those were so annoying to do because these lashes, it's a really thick band. These lashes have a very thin band, so it's a little harder for me to. Now I'm going to be doing a very, very classic red lip because my mom she always has a red lip on if she's going to church or she's going to any event. She's wearing a red lip, and she loves a very, very matte lip, even though I've told her glossy looks pretty. But I'll be doing a red matte lip for my mom. So today I'll be using the Sleek Matte Me in the shade Fired Up. So that is the look inspired by my mom and dedicated to her as well, because these are all the elements that make my mom my mom. So I hope you're watching, Mom, and I hope you really like it. I hope you do this on your own. Like, go out, ask Dad to get some makeup for you, because I took all your makeup. People keep texting me. go out and ask Dad to get you some makeup because I took all of your makeup with me here to KL. So I'm sorry, but I love makeup. So I hope everybody else enjoyed it too. I hope everybody learned some stuff about my mom. She's a really, really lovely person. Like, she's my best friend. So, bye.
All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars.